Oh, God, dude. Suck on that straw, bitch. Bro, do you not understand how hard I have been edging myself to this meal? Right here. Oh, my fucking back. Normally. Oh, you're here. I forgot I can talk. Hold up, let me get my microphone so that way it's easier. Oh, okay. Beep. Shit. Mic check, mic check, mic check. When I say mic check, that means work, bitch. Mic check, mic check, mic check. All right, cool. All right, ladies and gentlemen. We have arrived in Chiang Mai. Now, normally, I'd be coming here and I'd be, if this was my first time here, I'd be having some real bad culture shock. Because I'd be like, what the hell? It's hot as balls in here. Booty hole, sweat. I don't need 2 beds. I just need 1 fucking bed. This room. But yeah, as I was saying, normally, if this would have been my first time here, I'd be coming in here and be like, fuck, man, sucks. But you want to know something? I've been here before. I know what this is like. I ain't afraid. So now, I'm just clearing out my pockets, lining up my load, and then I think the plan's gonna be to head to, dude, I'm acting like I have anything crazy planned out. I'm gonna head straight to get some weed, and then from there I'm gonna go eat at my favorite restaurant. But you wanna know something that's kind of fucked? I don't know where my headphones are at. Oh dear, oh dear. Oh, there they are, found them. That's the problem about flying, is that my pockets end up becoming so crowded with so much shit. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous. All right, homies. I'm gonna catch you out on the streets where I was raised. Mic check, mic check. All right, it's working. Home sweet home. All right, now I wonder what's gonna, you know, hold up, let me put my mic in a better spot so it's not flopping all over the place. Boom, there we go. Now, first things first, I gotta get some weed, and I know just the place. So right up the road, we're gonna go up here, get some weed, and we're gonna go that way to get some food. No, after I eat, I don't know if I'm gonna go to the gym. I'll see how I'm feeling, or a herb that way. I can't forget that it's like, walking around here, the biggest hazard is fucking roads, dude. I gotta look left, right, so that way I'm not ran over. Because they will run you over. All right. Yep, there it is. I'm gonna have to kill the video feed though when I get into the store, because I don't want to trip them out with me, with a camera being in their face. All right, hold up, I'm gonna kill the feed right now. Okay, so now that I am sufficiently baked, recording, right? Yeah, cool. Now that I am sufficiently baked, I'm gonna go to my favorite restaurant in the world. I don't have that much of an appetite, but you're crazy if you think I'm not gonna go ahead and take advantage. And since I'm meeting a friend later today, I don't think that's gonna give me enough time to go lift weights. So what I'm gonna do is after I finish eating, I'm gonna go to the local 7-Elevens and start racking up all those protein shakes, because I need to drink a lot of protein shakes while I'm out here. So, hey, you know what? I'll just take you to the restaurant. The restaurant's right around the corner. There she is. There she is. There it is. Cow soy lana. Wait, are they closed? Sorry, we are. Wait. See you. 12. Oh, they open in 2 minutes. All right, I'm gonna go walk around. I'm gonna go to the 7-Elevens and rack up some milkshakes, but that was it, but they're closed right now, so fuck me. I smell that shit. You smell that shit? That shit smell good. Oh, they took out the currency exchange thing here. This ATM right here, this is a trustworthy ATM. This is the ATM I use, so if you're in Thailand and you need cash, that's the ATM they use. All right. Time to go to all the 7-Elevens and start stealing shit. Well, not stealing. I mean, like, I'm gonna buy all their protein shakes. So I'll show you what I mean when I get to one. All right, so what I will say, is this shit recording? Yeah, it is. What I will say is that something you might hear a lot about Chiang Mai or Thailand for that matter, is the air quality. And I will have to say, maybe it's because I just smoked a little bit of weed before I literally just started walking around. Maybe because of summer. But man, you can really feel the thickness of the air. And it weighs on me, bro. The heat of the day weighs on me. It's not as insufferable as Florida in terms of heat. But in terms of the air, yeah, that's gonna be a very tough thing to breathe through. Oh. All right, cool, the 7-Eleven this way. And there's smog everywhere. Like I can see to the end of the street and I can already see the smog. It's a smoggy ass place. So let me show you guys. When you're here in Thailand, I probably shouldn't be giving my secrets away because then everyone else is gonna be copying them, the fucks. But I'm gonna tell you exactly what you should be doing. You wanna come out here and you wanna hit your protein goals, this is what you do. Is it recording? Yes. Holy shit. That's a lot of people. Oh God, excuse me. Oh my God, come on. I can't do that one. I'm tripping. Oh, it's right here. Right here. Oh damn, they only got the vanilla. Oh, they got all the vanilla. That's the only one I need. What's this shit? They got banana now? 31 grams. 31 grams. Holy shit. Yo, you see this? Sugar. Ooh, that's not bad. That's not bad. Check that out, 49 baht. That's not bad at all. Ooh. I'm gonna clean house. Ooh, check out this one, 30 grams, oh shit. 30 grams, 0 sugar. Yo, this brand right here is the best protein. I'm gonna buy one of these. I'm gonna buy one of those. That might be the best one. Who knows? These I can't stomach. I piss out of my ass with those. Coffee protein. All right, so now I'm gonna head back, drop off all my protein shakes, because that was all I was gonna do right now. And then I guess probably just come home, charge my stuff, chill, relax, and then I'm gonna meet up with my buddy later. So enjoy the walk. Oh, and by the way, it wasn't 200 something, it was 588 baht. What does that translate to? Like what, $15? Bro, 15 bucks? And look at all these protein shakes. Dude, I wanna be set. That was 1/7-11, dude. Fuck yeah. Well, I was gonna chug this, but it's like, this is gonna be for later. This is gonna be after my meal. Oh, look at the doggy. Where's your cute doggies? Oh, please don't fucking bite me. You know, back home, I was trying to go through the process of getting a rabies vaccination. Turns out that shit is a lot harder to get than you think. I booked my appointment with the pharmacist, went over there and they looked at me crazy. I was like, we don't have these. No, I don't plan on getting bit by dog, but it's like things that in Thailand, things tend to just happen out here. So, is this shit recording? It's recording, yeah. So I don't know, I wish I had the vaccine, but I wasn't able to get it. It is what it is. I just gotta watch out for the dogs. God damn, it's hot. Holy shit, all right. Yeah, right on. Cause I was like, damn room, bro, this room is bigger, better, bigger fridge, nicer, better, awesome. Look at this big ass room I have to myself. Yeah, why not get the bigger room? All right, time to stock up. Lactose free. You know what that means? If these are lactose free? Oh man, I'm not gonna piss those out of my bungs. Dude, nice. All right, I'm gonna go to Khao Soi Lana. But first, I gotta get high. Just like last time. Is it recording? Yes. This is gonna be fucking wicked. One more puff. Big old puffs. Let's go get some food. Dude, but it's so unreal that I'm here, man. Like, I don't know, bro. It just still feels wild that I'm here in Chiang Mai. I'm still kind of in disbelief. Yes. This is the place. There it is. Super Khao Soi combo. I never knew they had that shit. Look at that super Khao Soi combo. Big size with chicken, beef, and seafood. Okay, yo, damn, bro. Is that new? Oh, they got fucking music playing. Don't play music, no, don't play music. We're chilling. Where's a regular ass? Ah, here it is. Dude, but you see what I mean? Look at that, 179. I'm not, damn, but the combo, I don't know if I should get the combo. I don't know, man, because I'm hungry, but I'm not that hungry. I'm gonna go with the Khao Soi Wagyu. I'm gonna go with that, and I'm gonna get a coconut. Appetizers? You know what? I think I'm gonna be chill. Chicken spring roll. Okay. Or maybe I'm just really fucking high right now. This is wild. Oh, cup and cup. Oh, dude, hold up, bro. New shit, new camera. Look at that shit, bro. Dude, and this is gonna taste absolutely delicious. Let me try. Oh God, dude. Suck on that straw, bitch. Bro, do you not understand how hard I have been edging myself to this meal for the past like 2 years? Was it 2 years? Year and a half. Yeah, and it's here. It's finally here, and it's all mine, bro. Hold up. Oh my God, dude. That is amazing. I'm not gonna use the lime. No, I don't even want to talk, bro. Just leave me the fuck alone. I want to eat. I've been waiting to eat this for a long fucking time. Bro, eating with a fork and a knife. Alright, now I'm headed back home. That was a fun night. Got to hang out with a buddy of mine. Ate some good food. But man, am I fucking tired. I cannot wait to go home and take another shower, freshen up, lay in bed, and let sleep take me. Very different from the first night in Thailand compared to this one. But you know what? I've been here before. This ain't new to me, man. Man, this woman is still here making roti. This place always has a massive line. Every time I walk by here, I remember my last trip, I'd come by here and there would always be the biggest line. That must be a really, really good spot. Man, I wonder what are they building for this festival? I wonder if this is for Songkran. I'm curious.